So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to the Play Store. And then once you're on the Play Store, you just want to search for TikTok. And then once you're on this, make sure your TikTok is fully up to date. So if you have an update for TikTok, it's going to be telling you right now. It should be saying update. In my case, my TikTok is already fully up to date. That's why I have no update. But in your case, if you do have an update, then you want to select update. Make sure that your TikTok is fully up to date. See if this works for you. And if that's still not working for the second method, you want to hold on TikTok. And then you want to click on app info. And then once this comes up, you want to scroll down and then click on storage. And now in the bottom, you want to select clear cache. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to go with clear data and then click on delete. See if that works for you. And if that's still not working for the third method, you want to go back to the Play Store and then you just want to uninstall TikTok and then you just want to install it again. After you install it again, restart your phone and then that should now fix your problem.